Let me be brutally honest with you. If someone tells you passive income means zero work, they're lying or selling a course. Real passive income is front-loaded work that pays you over and over again. Today, I'll show you 5 passive income streams that actually work in 2026. No scams, no hype, no gatekeeping, and yes, I'll tell you exactly how regular people start, not just rich YouTubers. Let's begin. Here are 5 passive income streams that still work in 2026. Let's start with the least sexy one, which is dividend investing. This is where companies literally pay you just for owning their stock. Think of it like rent, but instead of tenants, companies pay you cash. Here is how it works. You buy dividend-paying stocks or ETFs, they pay you quarterly or monthly, you reinvest, compound, and repeat. But why this still works in 2026? Because dividend ETFs are growing globally. People want stable income in unstable economies. It's simple, predictable, and boring, which is good. Here is shown real numbers. You can start with even $50, $100 a month. Reinvest dividends, and over time, it snowballs. So, is it slow? Yes. And is it powerful? Also yes. This is literally sleep well at night money. Just needs a little investment at the beginning. Number 2 is digital products. Once built, infinite copies. Test me. This one is huge in 2026. Ebooks, templates, Notion dashboards, spreadsheets, AI prompts, mini guides, anything. And here's why it works. You build it once and sell it forever. No inventory, no shipping, no customer calls at 3 a.m. Here are some examples anyone can do, like budget trackers, resume templates, study planners, finance cheat sheets, AI productivity packs. The crazy thing is, you don't need to be an expert. You just need to be one step ahead of someone else. If you learn something the hard way, you can package that lesson literally. This is called creator leverage. Number 3 is affiliate content. Now, a lot of people think you need a large audience for affiliate marketing, but that's not entirely true. And yes, affiliate marketing isn't dead. Bad affiliate marketing is dead. If you don't know what affiliate marketing really is, think about it like this. You have audience, and you recommend tools, apps, or services to your audience, and you get paid when someone uses their services. It still works in 2026 because people trust creators more than ads. Finance tools pay high commissions. AI tools and finance tools is equal dollars. But when it's about affiliate marketing, the mistake everyone makes is trying to sell everything. But the smart move is recommending only what you actually use. For example, budgeting apps, investment platforms, AI finance tools, productivity software. The most advantageous thing about affiliate marketing is that one good video or blog can pay you for years. That's passive. Number 4 is rental income, but smarter than before. Let's talk real estate, but not the Instagram version. In 2026, smart rental income isn't just buying houses. New forms of rental income are fractional real estate investing, real estate investment trusts, and short-term digital rentals. Why it still works? People always need places to live, places to work, and places to store stuff. The fact is, you don't need to own a full house. You can start with real estate investment trusts, crowdfunded platforms, or small monthly investments. This is a form of passive income with real assets behind it. And the last is content that pays you while you sleep or simply content creation. Ooh boy, trust me, this one is underrated. Evergreen content, YouTube videos, blogs, educational threads, explainer content, you name it. The reason it is the most underrated is because content compounds over time. Old videos can still earn. One good video can out-earn 100 bad ones. Here are some examples of evergreen topics. How credit scores work, beginner investing explained, how budgeting actually works, side hustles that don't suck. The secret sauce is teaching things that don't expire. If your content answers a question people will ask 5 years from now, you win. Attention builds trust, and trust drives income. Now, let me say this clearly. Passive income is not magic, it's not fast, and it's not free. But it's real. You either trade time for money forever, or build systems that work when you don't. There's no third option. Choose one stream, commit to mastery, show real results, and grow from there. And if this video helped you, subscribe. Because on this channel, we build money slowly, honestly, and intelligently. See you in the next one.